some football here. Them guys, you know. I'd say community members from Trinity. Yeah, man. A bit exhausted, but anyway, so I'm gonna pop by the river, all that fresh and then run on home. Yeah, man. Come on, yard, man. On top of the morning this morning, guys. Yeah, man. Happy see a piece of chicken wing. But anyway, guys. Last night, Biggs fried up some chicken, so take a piece and, you know, Biggs always take Anton fashion. You know, Biggs have a special touch when it comes to the kitchen, so save something for overnight. This morning, I'm up and active and just about the regular routine. I'm gonna go see the boats before we do any other thing for the rest of the day. Yeah, man, come on, yard, man. Up and active on a track. Guys, after hours now, but you know me already. They are track the same way. Yeah, man. And funny enough, you know, guys, the river come down like really bad. Yeah, man, not bad though. But you know, I drive river and it'll take your time. I take off the road, guys. Yeah, man. But them boy will sort you out in the future. Yeah, man. Before it get worse, as you can see. Oh, there you are. Yeah, man. I take on the road, guys. So you know where something go? Up and active. On top of the morning this morning, guys. Yeah, man. Up and active and yeah, they are chuckle, guys. Running to see if we can go sort out the animal. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's it, guys. Ah, big bro. Yeah, man. Brother, I do road. Yeah, you know what's up, guys. Up and active, man. They just like, brother. Manners. We're over here, there. Sort out in cow. Yeah, man. Big bro, tie the cow them, but I have the journey to take on, guys, due to the fact that, you know, I have to look on the animal them. Yeah, man, they just light and, you know, I have to get about and I take on ton fashion from early. Man, we've been getting a lot of rain, so the place is a bit wet. Yeah, man, so can't sneak across me. Shortcut, guys. I have to take on the main road. Yeah, man. Y'all know my energy already. It's a blessing to be able if you can get up in the countryside and see the animal them up like that. Yeah, man. Well, this is the main road towards Georgia community. Yeah, man, Georgia. But you know it's something go. The guys them always take them little time on a portal the road, so the animal them can hop on free. Yeah, man. As you can see, it's a blessing if you have the biggest them around, man. See if we can get all a close up. Real close up, you know. Country life at its finest, guys. Look at it. It's a blessing. Tell you, man. Look at that. No place like that. Yeah, man. Get out there and do the right thing. Yeah, man. With the chuckle, guys. See them around the corner. Yeah, man. This is country life at its finest. I tell you. Wow. Morning. Look a pretty face behind me. Put together this video for you all. Yeah, man. Just that you all like, share and subscribe to the channel. We get the opportunity to see the beast them up close and personal, guys. Look at that. My youngster them just pop out, you know, and grow. Funny enough, them grow up fast, you know, guys. Yeah, man. You see my shaking head say no. Can't follow me here, guys. It's a blessed day. Yeah, man. No place like that. Yeah, man, mom's there. I thought was every time she passed the window, she never hear no work go on, yeah? You know, country life already, guys. Then they are tapping for when love making go on, weather season. Yeah, man. Weather is something go. We just there and chit chat, so come on, man, today. Guys, I'm planning on taking you all on a little bit of sightseeing here and there around the countryside, yeah? Yeah, man. Nothing too exciting, guys, but most of the time when we get up in the mornings like now and we go towards the animals, yeah, man. From time to time we tend to encounter quite a few stuff, some things exciting, some just the norm. Yeah, man. The countryside itself comes with this peaceful energy where I'd say peace at its finest. Yeah, man. So due to the fact that you know me already, just love the outdoors, so I see my surroundings a bit different from my peers and others. Yeah, man.
So sometimes you just, for me, well, I always encounter some moments where, for me, it's just, you know, it just makes me happy to be alive. But I invite you all along to watch the video, so see if we can kick it off from there. So, yeah, man. Come on, yard, man. Today I hope I'm active on a track. Bless up that. Yeah, man. Today is one of them days. I will just give thanks to life as usual. That.